HELLER Maschinenfabrik GmbH, pioneering precision machinery. HELLER Maschinenfabrik GmbH stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence in the world of precision machinery manufacturing. Since its inception in 1894, the company has evolved from a small family-owned business into a global leader in producing high-quality machine tools. This article delves into the history, product range, technological advancements, market position, and future prospects of HELLER, highlighting its significant contributions to various industries.